from County WX here with a extreme lag that I can't fix. Sorry about that. And I'm joined here with...
Northern New Jersey, yes.
Yeah, and I'm not going to show the other side of this box because the shipper wrote a happy little note with my name and address on it in big letters. So...
You might want to enter censoring into that, like, when you edit the video, if you're going to edit it.
I don't know. I'm too lazy. So, yeah. We're gonna dig into the box. Northern's gonna watch me move my hand around with a pair of scissors because actually, you know what?
To be honest, I thought that was a rope for a second.
There we go. But yeah, I would do it the standard way. He really take this thing, didn't he? I do this the standard way, but again, I said the happy little note. I have to put my frickin' phone down. Alright. And cut. And second side. Oh great. Is this another happy little note? Yeah.
No, like, because I literally just found a 2055 for $80 with free shipping.
I got this one for only like $37.
$37?
Yeah. All right. Drum roll. Yeah.
Oh, man, that was good.
This is a big fucking adapter. Oh.
How is that fitting in your hand? I thought it'd be way bigger than that.
Yeah, me too. It's really heavy.
Yeah, I thought.
It has a...
Yeah, that thing's small.
Oh man, this thing has a nice antenna. And it doesn't have legs either, nice.
That's crazy. I cannot believe that like how small it is.
Yeah, I mean it has the Skyline button.
That's smaller than my cow.
That's smaller than your...
Yes, hold on. If that just fit in your hand, then that's probably smaller than my cow, but my cow can also fit in my hand.
The cow radio is probably smaller. Up! You hear that, guys? That's the cow. That is the cow. Alright.
Yep, that was the cow, yo.
I want to flip my camera around. So y'all can see my Nirvana shirt. And we're gonna plug it in. Any day now.
The moment I see that I'm going to be so excited.
The moment of truth. There it goes.
I saw it. Oh my god. Oh my goodness.
Scanning up. It's going weather.
Do an alert test. I can't really hear it because I think you have sound reduction on.
It doesn't want to... It doesn't...
Seas 2 to 4
What? Come on.
seconds and southeast 1 foot at 9 seconds. 5 knots. Becoming southwest 10 to 15 knots and turn it.
Alright.
To 10 knots after midnight. Seas around 2 feet. Friday, wind becoming southeast in the afternoon. Seas around 2 feet. Friday night, southwest winds around 10 knots. Midnight.
I'm trying to figure out how you test it.
Here is the area weather summary. High pressure will remain in place into the middle as the week as heat and humidity build. A front will follow on Wednesday or Thursday with increasing chances of showers and storms by the end of the week.
Oh, you can type letters on this thing. That's cool.
Yeah, it does. Yeah, it's lit.
Those in the lower
All right. Well,
70s.
thanks to Northern, he taught me.
Mostly sunny. A chance of showers.
What do I press after F function?
90. Chance of rain 30%. Saturday night.
It's on standby, guys.
Alright, now hold on WX. I can hear it. I heard it. Don't worry, that's
That's beautiful.
That thing was sick. I was thinking of getting either super. If I had to choose between the bear and I would either choose 2053 or 2055.
What the fuck was that?
No way. It's because they have a 163 $79.99 with $5.70 shipping.
Dude,
That's insane.
the 163 has the same tone but backwards.
Yeah, I know. Probably.
Let me hear it from far away. Nice. So you know what we're gonna do now?
What are you gonna do?
We're gonna bring it upstairs and we're gonna test it with the Pro 405.
Oh, you're gonna do them both at the same time?
Yeah. It'll be pretty interesting because
You got your white, you got them both ready to go?
yep, it's they're both on standby.
Alright.
Let's hold the
Tonight, south wind fun.
crap.
Oh, I can hear it.
All right. I didn't get it at exactly the same time.
I hear it.
All right. Let's shut that thing up. My computer battery's dying, so I'm gonna end off the video here, everybody. Peace out.
Oh, no.